Please hang me. Please, 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 please hang me, Judge Saab. Please, please, please give me the death penalty, Judge Saab. I beg of you. मुझे मुझे फांसी दे दो, जज साहब. मुझे मुझे फांसी दे दो. There was a stunned silence in the courtroom. Nobody could believe what they had just heard. The accused standing in the witness box was not more than 25, lean and of medium height. He had a stubble which must have grown in the jail in the last few days. The accused looked disheveled and dirty, and his appearance suggested that he had not slept since many nights. Honorable Judge Mr. K. Bhatt was a senior judge at the Sessions Court and had a reputation of being honest and upright. He had come across all types of criminals, from hardcore ones to the new entrants in the world of crime. Those who committed crimes just for the fun of it. Defaulters, rapists, fraudsters, murderers, thieves, and the list was endless. The Honorable Judge had witnessed criminals crying and begging for mercy when punitive measures were taken against them. Then there were others who openly, discreetly, or obliquely offered bribes to him. The judge had even witnessed innocent people being sent to the prison for years together, just because the investigating agencies either provided with false information or inadequate information. But never in his career spanning 22 years had the Honorable Judge come across an accused begging to be hanged till death at the very first hearing. The judge looked up at the accused and then glanced down at the papers to look up his name and other details. Ramesh Lal, resident of Ranganagar Satellite. Age 23 years and 9 months. Education up to the 12th standard. Jobless. Arrested by the police on the basis of CCTV footage at the Nehru Nagar Crossroads BRTS stop. The case was related to the manhandling of the BRTS bus number GJ01 BJ8149, route number 46. Do you have a lawyer? The Honorable Judge asked the accused. No, sir. I don't want a lawyer, sir. Please just hang me to death, sir. Please. Please. The accused began to cry once again. Perplexed by such a demand, the Honorable Judge asked further. Please. Stop crying, please. If you can't afford a lawyer, the court will provide you with one. Do you want a lawyer? No, sir. No, sir. No, bus. Just listen to me, Saab. Only once, sir. Please, just listen to me, Saab. Only once, sir. Please, sir, please. The Honorable Judge was now quite intrigued by the accused. He decided to listen to the accused as there was no way that the former would relent otherwise. Okay. Tell the court, Mr. Ramesh Lal, whatever you want to say. Thank you, Saab, thank you. Sir, I, I am, uh, ma- I am Ramesh Lal, sir. I live in house number 38 by 1 in Rangnagar in satellite area, sir. My father is a mason and goes out to work every day. My mother, she works as a domestic help in the nearby flats, sir. My younger sister, she studies in a college, Saab. Only I don't do anything, Saab. Me and my gang of friends, we just hang around our area. My parents, they tried to make me work, but I just didn't want to work anywhere, Saab. So there were fights almost every day with my parents. Finally, me and my friends, we started going out of our area and then sit at some pawn shop and just while away our time, sir. A few weeks ago, we entered the BRTS track by mistake. A policeman, a policeman saw us, Sab, and he came charging at us. He had a lathi in his hand. Of course, we were scared. So we jumped over the railing of the BRTS track. We crossed the road and we ran away. But this really amused us. The policeman's angry face as we jumped over the railing to run away appeared to be so funny to us that we decided to do it again. This Bhuria here, sir, my friend who is sitting in the black shirt, always wants to do things that we are told not to do. So when he insisted upon it, we all agreed. Then it became almost a daily routine for us, sir. When the policeman would not be looking our way, we would jump on the BRTS track and walk right in the middle. The bus drivers would honk madly and angrily, would in fact provoke us to walk even more slowly. It was a game for us, Saab, just a game. When the bus would come very near to us, we would jump over the railing and run away. Slowly, then we started becoming overconfident and just too daring. We began to follow the buses in the BRTS track on our moped. You know, Saab, mopeds are not as heavy as motorcycles, sir. And so it was so easy to lift the moped and take it on the other side of the railing. Then we would just get lost in the flow of the traffic. This went on for days, Saab. The harassed policeman couldn't really do anything about it. One day, Saab, Chhagan from our gang, he had another idea. Now we would all wait at the BRTS bus stop, but never get into the bus. Then, as the bus would begin to pull away, we would all run after it and press the emergency exit button right outside the door. The doors of the bus would automatically slide open and the bus driver would brake instantly. Many people standing inside the bus would fall down. And that sight would make us laugh loudly. Oh, we used to have a laugh riot. It became a race amongst us, sir, who would run the fastest and press the emergency exit button. Last week, sir, as the bus began to move from the Nehru Nagar bus stop, me, Chhagan and Bhuria made a dash for the button. As I neared the bus, I caught a glimpse of a fat man who had climbed into the bus the last. The very thought that the fatso will fall down made me so mad with laughter that I ran with a greater energy. I easily outran Bhuria and Chhagan and I pressed the emergency exit button. The doors opened and to my absolute horror, Sab, I saw a young girl with a baby in her arms tumble down and just get thrown out from the bus. Shit. Before I could do anything, the little baby slipped from the mother's arms and right then and there God, no. No. I, 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 I killed a child, Judge Saab. I killed a child. कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं था साहब. It was no accident, साहब. I just killed a child. And with him I killed an entire family, साहब. Please hang me till death, साहब. Please hang me. Please hang me, साहब. Please hang me. Hang me.